everyone, welcome back to my channel. By the way, again, I am Ruchika Sumpang Cadinas and I'm a student currently taking a Bachelor of Technology and Livelihood Education major in Home Economics. So last time we will discussing about the hardware. So now, we're exploring world of software. Those invisible programs that make our computers and devices work. So what is software? Therefore, and why it is so crucial to ICT? In essence, software is a collection of commands that guide a computer on what to do. It functions as the computer's brain, directing the hardware and enabling user interaction. Our computers would be nothing more than circuit and metal without software. First is the bridge that connects users and the hardware. Software serves as a conduit between users and the computer actual hardware. It converts our commands into hardware understandable instruction. Imagine it as a translator that enables communication between two different languages. Second is system software, the basis. System software serves as the basis for all other software. It controls the central processing unit or CPU, memory, and storage on the computer. Additionally, it offers the fundamental interface via which users can communicate with the computer. Third is the system of software. The most crucial piece of system software is the operating system or OS, which control other application and provides the user interface. Device drives are software applications that let the operating system talk to particular hardware components such as the graphic cards, printers, and scanners. And the utility software. These applications carry out particular operations such as defragmentation, virus detection, and file compression to preserve and enhance the computer system. Fourth is the application software or the tools. Applications are made to help users with a particular task. We work, play, and create with this program. Because it depends on the system software to work, it differs from the latter. Fifth is the application software, which we utilize on a daily basis, like word processing. We can generate and modify documents using LibreOffice Writer, Google Docs, and Microsoft Word. Next is the web browser. We can access the internet and visit web pages using Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, and Safari. The next is the games. This application also offer challenge and amusement ranging from easy smartphone games to intricate PC games. And the social media. We may communicate with the friends and exchange information on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Six is the software in various industries. This is the business and organization in every industry depend on software. It is utilized for customer communication, process automation, inventory tracking, and financial management. From manufacturing to healthcare, software may be tailored to each industry unique requirements. And the seven is impact on daily life. Software now plays a crucial role in our daily life, influencing our employment, education, and leisure. Software helps us interact, learn, amuse ourselves, and even handle our money. Software will become even more significant in our lives as technology develops. Again,